If you're looking for an air purifier that not only enhances air quality but also adds an ambient charm to your living space, this FreAire Air Purifier for bedroom is a perfect choice. This stylish and efficient air purifier goes beyond just cleaning the air. It transforms your environment with its sleek design and 3 RGB ambient lighting system, making it a must-have for modern homes. With advanced filtration technology, soothing RGB lights, and the ability to filter out harmful particles, it's the ideal solution for anyone who cares about clean air and aesthetics. Why choose FreAire Air Purifier? At this point, you may be wondering what makes FreAire different from the sea of air purifiers available. Here's what sets it apart. 1. True HEPA filtration removes 99.97% of airborne particles. 2. RGB lighting, aesthetic appeal with customizable lighting options. 3. Aromatherapy, infuse your room with pleasant scents while purifying the air. 4. Ultra-quiet operation, perfect for undisturbed sleep with noise levels as low as 22 dB. 5. Versatile usage, handles everything from pet dander to smoke and dust, making it the perfect purifier for any home. A game changer in air purification. FreAire is not just your ordinary air purifier. Its HEPA filtration system effectively removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles such as pet dander, smoke, dust, and pollen, even those as small as 0.3 microns. Whether you suffer from allergies, live with pets, or are looking for a purifier that can handle smoke and odors, this air purifier has you covered. With a dual-channel air inlet and 360-degree air outlet, it refreshes the air in a room up to 215 feet per square, up to 5 times per hour, ensuring continuous fresh air circulation. Imagine breathing in crisp, clean air every hour without having to worry about allergens or pet odors. Sounds too good to be true? FreAire makes it possible. One of the standout features of this purifier is its low noise operation. You can set it to sleep mode, and the noise level will drop to just 22 dB. This makes it one of the quietest air purifiers on the market. Perfect for keeping your air fresh as you sleep without any disturbances. It's especially ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or any space where peace and quiet are a priority. Ever struggled with noisy air purifiers that disrupt your sleep? The FreAire operates so quietly, you'll forget it's even there. The FreAire Air Purifier takes things a step further by integrating an aromatherapy function. Just add 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil to the aroma pad, and you'll enjoy a pleasant fragrance flowing with the fresh air. This feature adds a calming atmosphere, enhancing both your physical and mental well-being. Whether you're winding down after a long day or creating a spa-like ambiance, this air purifier ensures that your space smells as good as it feels. Breathe in fresh air while indulging in your favorite soothing scents, all at the same time with the FreAire Air Purifier. Why settle for a boring, functional air purifier when you can have one that also adds a decorative touch to your space? The FreAire Air Purifier comes with 3 types of RGB ambient lighting, offering a soothing, customizable glow. Whether you're setting the mood for relaxation or want a light that complements your decor, these lights offer both function and style. It's a beautiful addition to any room, bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices. This isn't just an air purifier, it's a stylish piece of home decor that enhances the vibe of any room. Living with pets or smokers? FreAire has designed this air purifier with your needs in mind. It works as a pet air purifier, tackling pet dander, odors, and fur, ensuring your living space is always clean. It's also perfect for those who need an air purifier for smoke. Whether you're dealing with cigarette smoke or cooking fumes, FreAire's advanced HEPA filtration and activated carbon filter ensure that these pollutants don't stand a chance. FreAire doesn't complicate things with unnecessary features. It's designed to be user-friendly, with easy-to-use buttons that let you adjust fan speeds or switch between modes with a touch. You don't need to be tech-savvy to enjoy the benefits of this purifier. Just plug it in, turn it on, and experience the difference. Final verdict. The FreAire Air Purifier is not just a purchase, it's an investment in your health, well-being, and comfort. Whether you need a dust air purifier for your bedroom or a pet air purifier for your living room, this unit delivers on all fronts. With its advanced filtration system, stylish RGB lights, and aromatherapy function, it's a game changer for anyone serious about clean air. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate the air quality in your home today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.